Hello, friends, and welcome back to the 5K account series challenge. This is week 10. Right now, the time is 11:51 p.m. Eastern Time, November 24th, 2024. And the update is that the balance remains the same, which I have been telling you since last maybe 7 weeks, 6 weeks. And the minus balance has gone down to minus $3,200. Last week, I think it was somewhere maybe minus $3,500. So this has come down on Monday, and now as in I myself know pretty clearly that now the dollar is going to go down, okay? Because this balance once was minus $4,100 just because Donald Trump won the election, but now after 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, things are coming down. Dollar will get back to the normal thing, and then this minus $3,200 will be like minus 2,500 and so on. Okay, so this is on the right path. It's working according to my plan there. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, now while this thing is coming down, while this negative balance will be coming down, I told you in my last video I will take one manual trade. Okay, so far we have not done anything manually in this account. Everything was done automatically, and yeah, so we just waited for a few weeks in the past, and now when this thing is coming down, now I will take one manual trade, and that will cover up or will make profits for our waiting time. Okay, so if some people are panicking, as in that we have been only waiting since last 4 or 5 weeks, where's the money, right? Where are the profits? Well, let me handle this. Okay, so while we will be working for next maybe 2 3 weeks, on the way we will take a manual trade, and this eventually and then you will see this balance eventually from $5,500 crossing maybe $10,000 just at once. Okay, so this could happen before Christmas, or this could happen after New Year, depending on how the market behaves. Because if it happens before Christmas, it will be well and good. Otherwise, we'll have to carry on this to next January. Okay, so this is the update as in the negative balance is coming down, dollar is coming down, so things are working as per my predictions so far. Yeah, so we haven't lost anything. Good news is we have not lost anything, and we will make some money when we are going to fix this negative balance in the coming weeks. So this is for this week 10. Keep an eye on this series. You got nothing to lose. It's a free video, okay? And it's not your money, it's my money. And eventually you will see maybe like this is the third month now, okay? So in 4 months, or in maybe maximum 5 months, okay? In 4 to 5 months, I will convert this balance from 5,000 to 10,000, which means your initial investment will be coming back in 4 or 5 months, okay? This is when I'm not doing manual trading. If I was about to do manual trading in this account, then this 5,000 would have been like 30,000 by now. Okay. Anyways, so let's keep it simple. This is on automation using a software. And once in a while, when I see the opportunity, I will take manual trade to make up for that waiting time. That's all. Okay. We'll see you next week. And by the way, if you want to know more about this method, you can check out the first link below the video here. Make money on autopilot, and then go along and just do your thing. Okay. So I'll see you next week now.